Maybe recently you've seen tools like that. These are actually jigs that allow you to do hidden deck fastening. Reliable just launched a screw that will allow you to do exactly the same thing without having to purchase the jigs that probably will be used only once. So all you have to do is position the screw on the corner, give it a little push, and screw. Same thing on the other side.
The special drill tip of the PVH will allow you to do that easily. Jigs need gaps to work, and they can get pretty wide with time. With the PVH, don't worry about it. Put the boards together, do one side, come back on the other side. You will save a ton of time. The wood will shrink anyway as the sun hits it, and you'll wind up with the perfect gap. The Pwr Drive Pvh, quicker, less expensive, but with the same awesome look.